Lazy eye also. Should probably tell you that. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is That Detail Guy. First name's actually Gary, but that's what my nomenclature is on. See, just too much, you know? Alright, so here's the first step for me. This is kind of the analysis phase. I'm basically going to get the car wet, start trying to look around the vehicle, see if I see any things that are going to be a problem in the future. So here on the next phase is this where I'm going to do my wheels. I always like to detail the wheels first because that's where you're going to get a lot of the iron deposits and a lot of the contaminants, and I don't really want that spraying all over the vehicle. And then as I go with a foam cannon and other things with my hand washing, that actually could get embedded in the paint and cause swirl. And on a vehicle, especially like this, you don't want to do anything to damage the paint. So here on the next phase, you can actually see this is the fun part. This is what everybody loves. This is where we're going to get the foam cannon. You can see that I've loaded this foam cannon up to the gills with some Chemical Guys Honeydew. It's one of my favorite pH balance foam or soaps. The reason why I love this one is just because, hey, I know I'm not going to damage any pre-existing ceramic coats or anything that this vehicle already had on it, and it's just going to give me that nice gloss at the end. Hey, just so you guys know, any product you see in here, I've basically bought with my own money. I'm not sponsored. I wish I was that cool, but I'm not there yet. But hey, if you guys like and subscribe, maybe one day they'll see my small channel and want me to do something for them. On this last step here, you're just going to see me dress the wheels. This is something I like to do. This is really kind of the difference maker. Makes the customer notice that, hey, I care, right? So, I don't know why. Usually, I'm a lot better than this. Really disappointed in myself. Hey, if you guys like this type of content, please just smash that like button or follow me, and I'll be sure to post some more in the future. Thanks, guys. Dude, look at that huge patch of grass I missed. I forgot to move my trampoline back. That's hilarious. It's like a little mohawk. Alright, anyways. So, yep,